You want the fastest way to recover a sleeping schedule? It's not working harder. It's stop working on everything. You know that week 3 feeling when your timeline is already sliding and the team responds by starting more work. Everyone is busy. Slack, WhatsApp is loud. Meetings multiply, but your confidence drops because deep down you can feel it. Busy isn't the same as progress. Here's the uncomfortable truth. When the schedule slips, most teams create fake progress. They start tasks that look productive while the tasks that move the finish date stay blocked. Schedule recovery, move 1 is what I call it. 1-3-1 focus. One outcome, what must be true by Friday for us to be back on track? 3 blockers, what are the top 3 things stopping that outcome right now? 1 owner, 1 person accountable to clear blockers daily, no committee. Say the win is quality assurance complete by Friday. But right now, the team can't even test properly. Environment isn't ready, approvals are messy, and the vendor is sitting on 2 defects. So we do the mature thing. Choose 1 owner, 1 team member accountable to unblock daily because recovery doesn't happen by committee. Stop managing schedules with pressure. Manage them with focus. To get more insight, join the J.K. Michaels Project Management class. See the link below and see you in class. Bye for now.